Welcome guys, welcome to our channel Sports and Live. In this particular video, we are going to see whom RCB may retain and what are the probable slots which will be open if they retain in that particular order, and who will be the likely options in the auction for that particular slot and whom they need to buy back. So first of all, there is a no-brainer question that King Kohli and Maxwell should be retained because both of them have played exceptionally for RCB. So that is one thing. And second question was that whether Devdutt should be retained. I have told no because I need to take a captain, as well as I need to see whether the captain is an opening batsman like Butler. So that's why I had put no. If we don't get such players, then we can buy back Devdutt. So that's what I felt, because he may not be taken by Ahmedabad or Lucknow. So that's why I have put no, but most of them have put yes. So we'll go with the crowd. Third question was that which bowler should be uh, taken. So most of them have around 50% of them have told Harshal. So Harshal gets the majority, but I felt that Chahal has performed really well in Bangalore sort of wickets and he controls the match most of the time. So I think Chahal should be retained, but people go with Harshal. So and what combination they want to retain, this is again a dilemma. Chahal and Harshal is what most of them are telling. We need to see what RCB management does. This is definitely one of the headaches that RCB management is trying to face right now. So as per people, they need DDP as well as Harshal. So this will be the composition. Harshal will be the bowling all-rounder whom we want. So our opening slot will be filled. So definitely Kohli and DDP will be seen as openers, and Maxwell will be seen in the same role which he performed last year, so that we define a particular role to him. So definitely Kohli 16 crore, Maxwell 12 crore. So I feel DDP may be 8 and Arshal may be 6. This is what the people like to retain. So we need to take a wicket keeper. So wicket keeper, it could be Bharat as well as someone else as well. So for me, if we need to see who will be available, that's one thing. If Ishan Kishan is out for auction, definitely we need to go for him. That's what I feel. Otherwise, if even KL Rahul is there, then we have to go for him. So this is my opinion about this people thing and the possible slots which are there. And as per me, what should be the composition, we need to keep an opening slot open, so that even we can take a lot of wicket keeper as well as captain in that particular slot. So I have filled couple of bowlers, that is Siraj and Yuzi has been performing really well, and Siraj contribution we are not able to see. He has been bowling opening spells, it is really good, as well as he's closing out the death over. So he has been different after he has joined Indian team. So this will be my thing. So what we need to go and see over here is we can take one batsman as well as one all-rounder and a one fast bowler. So that's what I am looking for. Foreign option and Indian option, they need at least one batsman and a keeper who can bat, and one all-rounder. So these are the slots which are open. So if we build the first 11 to be a strong 11, then we can fill the other slot with the scouting which we have done. So this uh, for this video, if you like this video, please do press like button, as well as please do subscribe.